Good morning, students. This is your new English teacher, Shipra ma'am. Welcome to class 8. This is your English book, English Pulse for class 8. Now, let us proceed to the content. The first chapter is The Sniper. This is the first chapter, The Sniper, by Liam Flaherty. Liam Flaherty was an Irish short story writer and he was also a novelist. Okay? He has also served as a soldier in First World War. So now come to the topic, The Sniper. This is the first chapter, The Sniper. I think you must be knowing the meaning of sniper. Who is a sniper? Sniper कौन होता है? So sniper is a person who shoots at somebody from a hidden position. So sniper is a person who shoots at somebody from a hidden position. Okay? So here we are going to study about sniper. Now this story, The Sniper, begins just before dawn in Dublin, Ireland, during the Irish Civil War. So this story begins just before dawn. What is dawn? Dawn is the early morning. Okay. So early morning when light first appears in the sky. So this story happens in Dublin, Ireland during the Irish Civil War. A Republican sniper sits on a roof and lights a cigarette despite knowing that the flash of his lighter might tip off his enemy. So, a Republican sniper was sitting on a roof. Okay, the sniper was sitting on a roof and he lighted his cigarette despite, वो जानता था, then also he lighted his cigarette knowing that the flash of his lighter might tip off his enemy. वो जानता था कि अगर लाइट जलेगी, flash, if you will light the cigarette, the light will be noticed by the enemy and he might be noticed. Then also he lighted the cigarette. After that what happened? It does. The light was noticed by the enemy and it was noticed. And an enemy sniper, a free stater, sends a bullet flying overhead. Okay, now here is stater, a free stater. What is a stater? Stater is a resident of a particular state. The person who is living in a particular state is known as a stater. So a free stater sends a bullet flying overhead. Suddenly what happened? जैसे ही वो अपना लाइटर, जैसे ही उसे लाइटर दिखता है, he noticed the lighter, he sent a bullet towards the sniper. A free stater sends a bullet flying overhead. Okay. Now the enemy is just across the street of the roof opposite the Republican sniper. So where was the enemy? The enemy was just across the street. Okay. The enemy was just across the street on the roof opposite of the Republican sniper. So that enemy was opposite the roof of the Republican sniper. Okay. Now at the same time an armored car comes down the street and an old woman comes around the corner and informs the man in the armored car about the Republican sniper. So in the meanwhile what happened? At the same time an armed car. So these all things was happening in the same time. उसी समय an armed car. Armed car is, what is an armed car? So armed car is also a car which is covered with metal to protect its from attack. Okay, so this is a type of a car which is covered with metal which protects the car from attack. Okay, so an old woman comes around the corner and informed the man in the armed car about the Republican sniper. She informed about the Republican sniper. Before the man in the armed car can shoot at the Republican sniper, though the Republican sniper shoots the man dead. Before the man shooted at the Republican sniper, he himself shooted the man. So रिपब्लिकन स्नाइपर के पहले ही, जैसे ही वो रिपब्लिकन स्नाइपर को देखता है, वो सोचता है कि मैं वो उसे शूट करे, बट बिफोर दैट ओनली रिपब्लिकन स्नाइपर जो था वो उस आदमी को शूट कर देता है. ओके, द मैन डेड, he shoots the woman dead and he also shooted the woman too as she tries to run away. As she was trying to run away, she also shooted the women too. Okay, distracted for a moment, the Republican sniper gets hit in the arm by the bullet of the enemy sniper. So what had happened? Distracted for a moment. थोड़ी देर के लिए वो he was distracted, and in that moment only the Republican sniper gets hit in the arm by the bullet of the enemy sniper. So the war was going on, and the snipers were all around. So this time also a bullet pierced in his arm. Okay, the sniper shot at him. Okay, in tremendous pain, he can't hold his rifle anymore. और उसे इतना पेन हो रहा था, बहुत ज्यादा पेन हो रहा था, and he can't hold his rifle anymore. Okay, he pours an antiseptic over his wound, which is also extremely painful. So what he did, he poured an antiseptic. Okay, antiseptic वो डालता, he put an antiseptic on the wound which was extremely painful and it was paining a lot. In order to escape, he put his rifle on the edge of the roof with his cap on its end. What he did, in order to escape, he has been shooted. So what he did, he put his rifle on the edge of the roof with his cap on its end. So with the cap on its end, he put his rifle on the edge of the roof, and the enemy sniper shoots at it. Okay, and the Republican sniper ignominiously makes it look like he has been killed. So what had happened? जो Republican sniper था, he put his, as he has been shot with the gun, he has got pain, he has got trapped. As he has got bullet in his arm, he put his rifle on the edge of the roof to show that he was sitting there. And the enemy sniper shoot at it. और enemy जो sniper था वो सोचता है कि he was sitting there and he shoot at it. Okay, at his cap, on his cap. And the Republican sniper ignominiously makes it look like he has been killed. और the Republican sniper he shows that he has been killed. Okay, the enemy sniper thinking he is safe. Enemy sniper था वो सोचता है कि चलो मैंने तो उसे मार दिया, now I am safe. Stand up on his roof, and he stood on his roof. Okay, and with a surge of pride, so he was feeling proud. Okay, surge, a sudden strong movement in a particular direction. He was feeling pride and he moved in a particular direction. Okay, and joy, the sniper shoots him dead with the revolver. So what had happened? जो अपोनेंट था उसका, दो अपोजिट साइड में जो स्नाइपर था, वो बहुत अच्छे से खुशी से उठता है कि आई हैव शूटेड द स्नाइपर, एंड बट दैट टाइम व्हाट हैड हैपेंड, द स्नाइपर हैज नॉट बीन किल्ड. वो तो ही वाज शोइंग दैट ही हैज बीन किल्ड, ही हैज नॉट बीन किल्ड. तो जैसे ही वो स्टैंड, एज सून एज ही स्टूड, द फर्स्ट स्नाइपर शूटेड एट हिम. ओके, and him dead with his revolver, and he was dead. Okay, however, now that the adrenaline of battle is over, and now the adrenaline of the battle was over, and the Republican sniper feels safe, or the Republican sniper tha, he thought that he is safe now. Okay, the lust of battle died in him. तो lust of battle, lust is जो इच्छा थी उसकी, वो बैटल की जो थी वो डाई हो गई थी, वो उसमें खत्म हो चुकी थी. He became bitten by remorse, and why it has been over? because he has become bitten by remorse. So remorse, what is remorse? Remorse is a feeling of sadness because he has done something wrong. Okay, उसे मार कर उसे लगा कि मैंने अच्छा नहीं किया. He was feeling not good. Okay, remorse. He throws his revolver with an oath. Throws his revolver with an oath, finishes all the whiskey in his flask, and he was having whiskey in his flask. He finishes, he drinks all his whiskey and begins to go down to the street level to report to this commander. और उसने सोचा कि now battle is over, now I am going down, and he was going to his commander to report his commander. Okay. However, reaching the street, he feels a sudden curiosity as to the identity of the enemy sniper whom he had killed. So what had happened? When he was moving towards his commander, he thought he was feeling curious to see the sniper whom he had killed. So he thought once to see him at a glance. Okay, उसने सोचा कि एक नजर मैं देख लूं कि मैंने किसे मारा है. Okay, he was feeling like that. So what he has done? Dazzling gunfire behind him. So dazzling gunfire, dazzling is to move quickly in order to avoid something. Okay, तो dazzling means the gunfire, the gun was being, the fire जो था वो तो guns जो थे वो firing हो ही रही थी. So he was किसी से चीज से छिपते हुए, उस firing से छिपते हुए he reaches the corpse and throws himself. और corpse जो होते हैं वहां पे जो corpse थे उसके सामने वो throw करता है. Corpse is a policeman. Okay, so he throws himself as if he has been killed. As if वो अपने आप को फेंक देता है. He throws himself as he has been killed. Okay, 2. Finally, the sniper turned over the dead body and looked into his brother's face. So what had happened? Finally, he thrown himself and he looked towards the sniper's dead body, and he looked into his brother's face, and he finally noticed that he was his brother. Okay, so here the story ends. So this is the story, and here the story ends. So you have to study. This was the summary of the story. Further, you have to study the question answers and all. So let me show the book.
Start.
This is your book. This is the first page.
Start.
This is the second page. Go through the story. Read the story properly.
Start.
Underline the hard words and find out its meaning as your homework. Okay? Words are underlined. More words you can underline if you don't know the meaning.
Start.
Write down the meaning in your copy, previous copy, whichever copy you would be having. No need to buy new copy. And here the story ends. Okay, in next video we will do the question answers. So now you will find out the word meaning as your homework and learn it. Okay? Thank you.